Also, what is importantly to note is that sanity has been restored along the Kampala-Masaka highway as UNRA did, of course, go ahead to restore and reopen the route for public use, allowing both light and heavy vehicles to resume normal travel. This is after the authority promptly addressed the broken section of the road that had disrupted transportation. The highway was reopened after over 36 hours with transport challenges faced by road users at the Chengera section of the Kampala-Masaka highway.
We've reinstated the damaged section at Chengera, and traffic flow, all nature of traffic, from pedestrians to vehicular traffic, can now flow smoothly without any bother. Because as you know, globally, the effects of climate change can be disastrous to human settlements, to the environment, but also to road infrastructure, just like this one. But what that means is you build a system of resilience, but also a system of responsiveness. So as an institution, we're always ready for such interventions. Our teams are always ready whenever called upon. We quickly mobilize. We work under an emergency. It becomes an emergency situation, so we respond as such. And we are grateful to other entities of government that have also helped us. For example, the Traffic Police Department and other agencies of government, like National, also came to work with us here because they had the pipes that were damaged as well, which they've also reinstated. So it's been done smoothly, and we are grateful actually to the public for the patience they've exercised and understanding.
Now, on some of the monies that have been released to municipalities, we'll be speaking to the Chairperson of Public Service and Local Government, Martin Ojara Mapenduzi, right there. Now, following the disbursement of the final portion of 1 billion shillings allocated for roads to each district, the PPD Executive Director, Benson Turamye, has threatened to hold district officials accountable if they fail to utilize the funds. Turamye cited the procurement process as a common excuse for delays, but emphasized that the process has been streamlined to facilitate securing service providers within 2 weeks. Now, each district, city and a municipality reportedly received 500 million shillings to fund road rehabilitation projects.
According to the Ministry of Finance, each district received 500 million shillings, completing the 1 billion shillings allocated for the roads maintenance. The Executive Director PDA Benson Turamye says they will be following up the authorities to make sure this money is put to the right use.
I don't see why they should lament, because the threshold now for requests for quotation is between 10 million to 400 million. So anything within that, if they are going to do a road, 50 million, 100 million, 300 million, they use requests for quotation with a very short period of 5 days to receive bids. The evaluation is done by them. They can take 2 or 3 days.
Turamye says the procurement processes have been decentralized to make it easier for respective districts to secure service providers. The districts now are able to make use of restricted bidding instead of open bidding to award contracts.
I would also suspect that these roads, the value is even less than 200 million each road. So you don't need even go to Attorney General for clearance.
But be as it may, we still shall leave no stone unturned to ensure that we use this money and there is no money to return it, because we need it. Our roads are still not okay. And we must, it is our responsibility to ensure that these roads are properly done